There are multiple benefits to having an attorney handle your case versus handling on your own. But there's kind of 5 major things that I see as a benefit to hiring an attorney. Number 1 would be stress. We take away the stress of dealing with the car wreck case, dealing with the insurance company, having them send you forms to sign and you don't know what the forms say or if it's even needed for you to sign them. And so clients don't need to stress about dealing with it. They can just focus on getting better. Number 2, even with us involved and us taking a percentage of the settlement, clients will still get more money in pocket despite those fees. There's been multiple studies that show the number is around 75% more in pocket, even with an attorney involved, and our firm does better than the average firm, so it's even more beneficial for our clients. Number 3, we help manage their care, and this is an often underlooked aspect of having an attorney involved, and so let me explain what I mean. There's a lot of doctors that hate dealing with injury cases. They don't want to give an opinion. They don't want to be involved. If you even subpoena them, they'll try to get out of it. That causes a major issue for our clients. If they go to a doctor that does not want to be involved in their case, they can torpedo the case even though it's very obvious what happened. We will lose those cases if we can't get them to eventually give an opinion. And so that's what I say when I say we help manage care. We get clients into doctors that we know are not afraid to testify. They're not afraid to be involved in the injury law realm. And that's a key, because if we don't get doctors that will do that, we can lose a case on technicalities rather than the true merits. Number 4, we handle all lien resolutions. Most people do not know that when you're in a wreck, if your health insurance has paid towards your medical bills, you have to pay back your health insurance for anything that they've paid on the wreck. So we handle all of those things in the end. And then the final thing is just our leverage. If a person tries to handle a case on their own, they have no leverage in that negotiation. So with us, our leverage is we can file the lawsuit and we can go to court and ultimately take it out of the hands of the adjuster and let a jury decide. That leverage is why we can do so much better than people can on their own, because they know they're going to lose if they go up against Feller and Wendt. That leverage is key. There's really no benefit to trying to handle this on your own. You'll get more in pocket, less stress, you'll have doctors that will give opinions, and everything will be protected as far as what you need to be worried about when it comes to injury law.